Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at the GE Appliances refrigerator, a reliable and stylish option for any modern kitchen. Whether you're upgrading your current fridge or buying your first full-size model, GE has some solid features worth checking out. First off, the design is sleek and modern, with a stainless steel finish that resists fingerprints and looks great in any kitchen. The fridge comes in various configurations, from side-by-side to French door models, so you can choose what fits your space and lifestyle best. Inside, the storage is spacious and flexible. Adjustable shelves, crispers, and door bins make it easy to organize fruits, veggies, drinks, and leftovers. Some models even have temperature-controlled drawers, perfect for keeping meats, cheeses, or deli items at the ideal temperature. One feature I really like is the TwinChill evaporators. This technology keeps the fridge and freezer compartments at optimal humidity and temperature separately, which helps food stay fresher longer. Plus, many models include LED lighting, so you can easily see everything inside without shadows or dark corners. When it comes to performance, GE fridges are quiet and energy efficient. Most models are Energy Star certified, which means lower electricity bills without sacrificing cooling power. And if you go for a higher-end model, you might get Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control temperatures right from your phone. Overall, the GE Appliances refrigerator is a solid investment. It combines style, smart storage options, and dependable cooling performance.